My name is Sam, and this is our water filter project. As you can see, this is our filtration part.
And at the top we have gravel, and the next part is sand, and the third part we have a different kind of gravel, and we have sand at the bottom again, and you can't really see it, but we have cloth at the very bottom, and to keep all the sand out we have cloth right there, so all sand stays.
Okay, so the steps we're going to do in this water treatment process are aeration, sedimentation, and filtration. So basically in this first we're going to start with aeration. In aeration, all the gases like carbon dioxide, methane, or any other helium or any other gases escape, and that's an important part to make the water clean. So first we're going to be doing that. So grab, come here, and transfers the water into each cup. You usually do aeration for about 1 minute so that all the gases have time to escape.
And you do sedimentation for 2 to 3 minutes after.
What happens in aeration is that all the water particles come together, leaving all the gases that fly into the air.
So basically, you're
Okay, so
aeration part is done, and now we're going to be doing sedimentation. For sedimentation, we're going to pour all the water in this transparent cup so that you can see the flux settling down. While there's some water that's settling down, we're going to be doing filtration. So at the end, you can see the flux settle down and see the clean water in there as well. Basically, we let the sedimentation water settle for 2 minutes. And as you can see over here, the flux is settled down at the bottom, while the water, which is lighter than the dirt, is floating. And now we're going to be doing filtration with this bottle and the gravel.
Okay, so I'll be pouring the dirty water.
Let's see how clean it is.
And as you can see, our net stopped all.
As you can see, this clean water is coming out pretty clean to drink. You see, the sand removes all the bacteria and viruses from coming. The gravel is also helping from the dirty water entering the clean water. So,
and you can see our filtration looks pretty good. It looks like clear water.
After all the processes, this water is clean and almost safe to drink.
And right here we have another cup. Would you guys like to add it?
We're gonna add the sedimentation water, leaving the flock in the bottom. We're gonna add some of the water. Alright, that's it. Alright.
As you can see,
Clean water
right here, all the dirt's staying at the bottom. That's all the clean water source. We have pure clean water.
And for anybody that's poor and that can afford a wealth water purification system,
pure system.
You can probably find these things on the street. And
Get it. Pretty cheap, pretty easy, pretty good for health, pretty good. Awesome system.
And this is our water filter project.
Welcome back. As you can see, this water, the really dirty water, has a lot of dirty particles in there. Leaves, wood, dirt. It has a lot of dirty particles in there. And after aeration, sedimentation, and filtration, we managed to get our water pretty clean. And Rav's going to be talking about the clean water.
So as you can see, there's a huge difference between both the clean water and dirty water. And you can see that this water is really black and it's all muddy. And then this water turns out to be a very light shade, and it turns out to be more like clear water.